Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such with a such stance for EDC gear. I was watching Lefty EDC's video on his Spyderco Delicate Backlock, and I'm thinking, this is what gets me like that. Nice, nice. It is 420HC, USA made, and it is 722 is the model, 722. This is a Spitfire. Well, this is how you would close it, see? Press your finger here, go down, sorry, here, go down. I'm thinking, not all backlocks are great, but these are three that I like, and they're really good. Then I have two Spydercos, the Voyager Drop Point, and AUS 10A. And you would do like this. Let me zoom out one. You go like this and you go down. Slow roll. And the American Lawman by Cold Steel in S35BN. AUS 10A. And you would do this. Can I reverse flick this one? No, but can I flick this off hard? I know I couldn't do it, but this needs to go back in my pocket again. This is a thinner Lockback, and it's really nice. Again, I did not turn my light on. I gotta learn that on my camera, but yeah, let's have this as light. And yeah, this is very good. Very good Lockback. I need to start carrying it more. Triad locking system on the Cold Steels. I don't know how many people are going to see it, but I'm going to do a poll on my channel to see which knife I should get. I'm going to have the Para 3 as one, Cold Steel as the company, and Kaiser. And see what people say. And see if I get one. But they really do me well. I haven't thought about backlocks like that until Lefty EDC's video, but I'm like, I see the allure of backlocks. And this one just speaks. This one you hold like this, or like this. And if they have G10 scales for this, I'm gonna look it up because I want this in G10. Then I would carry it way more. Loving it. After this video, I will know. That's the Buck 722 or the Buck Spitfire in 420HC. This is the Cold Steel Voyager Drop Point in AUS 10A. And this is the American Lawman in in S30VN. Also, I changed this clip from right to left. And by the way, I am almost always ambidextrous on opening the knives and closing them. Just because I have an injured finger, it doesn't mean too much, but I can still do it. Look. I have to redo that one. Not closing that one this time because I don't want to scratch it off. Take good care of this little guy. I think my brother got me. No, it was me. He got me a torque screw. He got me the Bantam, the Buck Bantam. That's one. If it's G10, this would be a freaking beast in my collection, my carry rotation. There's something about the hole, the satisfaction of this knife. So, but yeah, cold steel. Not cold steel. The Buck Spitfire or 722 and 420 HC, the Cold Steel Voyager drop point, and the AUS 10A, and the slim lockback of the Cold Steel American Lawman S30V knocked off a really big grail of mine. I got into knives in 2014, the summertime, with YouTube and everything else. My first good knife was a Gerber something or other, I can't remember, but it was a USA made, cheap USA made Gerber, which I got at the secondhand store, and my friend sharpened it wicked. But this was one of my gets, because we had a knife store before they closed down, and now it's in my old town, and now it's a mattress store. But I know that who cares about the differences and hates or non-hates of the police, but they carried cold steel. Possibly the American Lawman was one of them. But I seen this model and it was like, why is knife so pricey? At that time, $15-20 was cutting it close for me in price, and way back in 2014, summertime in 2015. Now I understand why a $115 knife and a Spyderco is something I would buy, and 130 Benchmade bug out. But this was one I was eyeing. It was not all blacked out, and I think it was CTS XHP. But I got one of my grails, even though it's an upgraded model, I believe. S30V is upgraded, but I love it, and I'm glad I got it. Look how slim this is. It's just like, so good, so good. Recommend this knife all the time. And that's the lockbacks. Thank you, Lefty EDC, for your input, because that really, really spoke to me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Have an awesome day, rest of the year. Have fun in the hobby. Hashtag be up, hashtag DSKFS. Look out for the guy or girl to your right. Look out for the guy or girl to your left. Choose love, not hate. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.